Do you have any small cracks in your vinyl siding? It's a huge problem. How do you fix it? New vinyl siding strips come in 12.5 long foot strips. That's a long piece to buy just for a tiny little patch. I'll show you a quick and easy way. A small vinyl siding mending kit is all you need. This is so quick and easy you won't believe it. Is this just a cheap sticker? No, not at all. Stickers are paper. This is vinyl. It is exterior rated and will last. This is my work truck. This is a vinyl wrap. It is durable and will last many, many years. We're going to do the same patch on the house. So this kit is very reasonably priced. I will put a link in the video description below. You can order it and have it arrive quickly. This kit comes with 2 different vinyl pieces to do your patch. Now, you can easily, with scissors, cut your vinyl patch to fit the size of your siding. It even gives you grid hash marks on the back. 1-inch marks and 1/2-inch marks, 1/4-inch marks, excuse me, so you can cut it to size to fit. You don't want it to wrap around the siding. You do want it to sit flush on the siding. Also, when you apply it, it actually will fill in those little wood grains so it looks like a good simulation. It will match. Now you're probably thinking, what about color? These can be ordered in different colors, but typically you're going to want to get it just in white and paint it to match. Vinyl siding fades quickly, so if you do replace a long strip, the new piece won't match at all. It'll be a totally different color. So this will enable you to paint match as close as you can. So here we have a fairly close spray paint. We're going to apply the paint and let it dry before we put the vinyl patch on. You can take a sample of the vinyl siding to your paint department and have them do an exact color match and paint that on first if you want. I'm going to consider this spray paint close enough and call it good. This brand says let it dry 20 minutes to the touch. Now, before you apply the vinyl repair, you do want to clean the siding off. Even if you think your siding is clean, it's not. Just give the area a quick little wipe down. Okay, it's dry to the touch. We're ready to apply it. By the way, this mending kit, the sizes, I forgot to tell you earlier, it's 6.5 inches by 4 3/4 inches. So it's good size. You can get larger sizes, but this will work for a lot of cracks and holes in your vinyl siding. Okay, you can use the grid underneath to see how much you want to cut off. This will ensure a fairly straight line. Just regular household scissors is all it's going to take. Let me cut a straight line here. Okay, perfect. I think that's going to look good. And then you're just going to fold it over. It will separate. It feels good. It's not cheap. I'm going to center it. Now, if you were to get air bubbles, you can smooth them out by pushing from the inside out. Now, by keep working that in, also what will happen is the wood grain simulation from the vinyl siding will start to peer through over time. That makes it look more realistic. Over time, that may blend closer in color. Of course, you could adjust the paint color anytime you want. Overall, I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. Okay, so on this one, it's cracked right at the bend of the siding. So this one's more complicated. I got a new piece painted here ready to go. I thought if we cut it and just wrap it underneath, that might come loose over time because it'll be just such a little piece of vinyl hanging there. So I'm going to leave it wide on purpose, and I'm going to have it adhere all the way underneath, you'll see. One cool thing too is you can do a dry fit to see if you like the fit before you even work with it or paint it. Okay, so I'm going to leave enough overhang so it can wrap underneath and then grab the underside. Smooth it out. Try to get that wood grain pattern to start coming through. That really does work. You can see it even better than the first patch. The wood grain pattern does come right through to help it blend in, makes it look more realistic. Now, I've never used this product with a corner crack like that, so how it had a wrap underneath and secure underneath. I don't know if this will hold up long term. I will report back to you in a future video about this repair here, how this one in particular held up. These mending vinyl siding repair kits are great. So easy to work with, no intimidation factor at all. Hey, try it for yourself. Let me know if you have any questions and comments. If a whole day goes by and I don't have any questions in the comments down below, I start to wonder and worry where the heck you guys are. So ask me as many questions as you like. I love the questions. Keep them coming. And hey, I know you can do this yourself.